With wildfires burning across the state, fires in the north, fires in the south, and the winds are not helping the situation.
Hi, my name's Brandon Sparks-Gillis. I'm a vineyard at Dragonette Cellars in beautiful Santa Barbara, California. So when we talk about the impact of wildfire and smoke on the wine community and then on actually the physical aspect of wine in general, we're really looking at a couple different things. One is the catastrophic physical impacts. These could be fires which actually burn down wineries or burn into vineyards. The other devastating impact from wildfires can be the impact of smoke and resulting smoke taint on wines. So the growing season of 2019 and 2020 in Australia saw unparalleled wildfires throughout the entire country. 46 million acres of bush and woodland burned, which presented incredible challenges for wine growers. In certain areas, there was catastrophic damage to vineyards and to wineries. In other areas, there was peripheral damage as a result of smoke taint. Vineyards can often serve as very important fire breaks. So while a fire might be able to transmit across a given area, when it hits the vineyard itself, it's a large verdant area which generally is not able to provide fuel to allow for too much fire growth. So here you can see, looking down on these silver stakes, these are the areas where the vines were so thin that the fire was able to actually physically damage the vine and go through the vineyard block. Where if you look over here at the more verdant green area, you can see in the larger blocks, the vineyard was actually a very effective fire break. So while the grass burned up the hillside, the fire stopped essentially once it hit the vineyard itself. So here we are in a vineyard where a brush fire has come up the canyon towards the vines, and you'll see that it actually did cause physical damage to the vines. So we have burnt canes which essentially were non-functional throughout the rest of the growing season. So you see we're in November, a few weeks after when these vines would normally be harvested, and we still see clusters in veraison. The clusters that did make it through, due to the proximity of the smoke here, are a prime candidate for the potential of smoke taint. And in the next segment, we'll go into greater depth on the subject of smoke taint.